So as you might saw in my last video, I'm recording with phone, and the phone fall out from this one. It was between this. Here was glued some stuff and it's gone. And now my idea is I made some holes there. I'm not sure if you can see two of them, and I will screw this small piece of wood, and the phone will be between this and this, so it cannot fall out again with this small screw. Let's see how I can do that. Seems like the hole is smaller. This is the smallest drill bit I have. Looks good, huh? Cannot show you how it fits because I only have one phone, one camera. But I say that's success. Thanks for watching.